All right, this is a little bit of basics on balancing chemical equations. These are chemical equations right now. What you see is this is water, and you can tell that because it's H2O. There are two hydrogen and one oxygen. So this is one substance, water. This is hydrogen gas, H2, and then oxygen gas is written as O2. The other things here are the arrow that is a symbol for yields, and this is the plus, which means that there's more than one thing on this side. So the way that you'd read this equation is the compound water, when it is broken down through electrolysis, yields hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas. And that's what this is. The problem with the equation is you may notice that this is not balanced, or there's not the same amount of stuff on this side as there is on this side. And you can kind of see it with H2O and these letters and numbers. But I set up a hydrogen and oxygen infinite cloner at the top so that you can kind of see that here as well. So if I were going to build this water, I would need two H's and one O. So I'm going to pull down an H and an H, and then another one for O, and that's going to give me two H's and one O, H2O, which is water. If I was going to build hydrogen gas, you may guess that I would need two hydrogens, and you'd be correct. And here for oxygen, I would need two oxygens. So now it's a little bit more clear. You can see that over here I have H2O. Here's H2 and here's O2, and there's two H's on this side, and two H's on this side. There's only one O on this side, and there's two on this side. So you'd say, hey, I'll just bring down another O. But that O wouldn't be really connected to anything. So that's not really possible. And it wouldn't fit with the equation that water yields hydrogen and oxygen. So the only thing that you can add to this side would be another water. So we'll keep that O, but we're going to actually have to bring down a couple H's to give us two H2O's, which means you're going to need to do a 2 here. That's not the best 2, but you understand that 2 in front of it means that I have two molecules of H2O. Now that looks like it makes a little bit more sense because I got two O's and I got two O's, but by doing that I also had two more hydrogens. The way that you can fix that is say, hey, I want two of these molecules. Again, you're not going to be able to create two H's just kind of floating around. What you can do is build another molecule, another H2, and that will give you a balanced equation. I've got four hydrogens on this side, four hydrogens on this side, two oxygens and two oxygens, so everything's balanced. That's a balanced equation.